Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to download SSMS SQL Server Management Studio. Here is the version of that is 18.9. This link is Microsoft.com, documents.microsoft.com. Just copy paste this website which I am giving in this notepad. So if you go to the download option, you will get the same link. So up to here is enough, no need to copy this. So up to this you have to copy paste the same URL, then you will get a page like this, which is a Microsoft page. Yeah, I am noting down here the website, so note it down and open that same website, then you will have no confusion in that. So this part is not enough. By default it will direct to that page only. So up to here is enough. So let's check it out. This is the website, doca.microsoft.com, English US, which is of SQL SMS. And download is not enough. You defaultly it will redirect to that page. Here, yeah, exactly, the page is loaded. Yeah, now you will get a content with this download SMS. This is the first 18.92 is the latest version available, and the previous version 18 is installed. If you install this thing, then it will automatically update it. So download here, link is given, click on that and download it, which is of exe file. It will take a minutes of time, just few minutes of time. If your internet speed is good enough, it will take only few minutes. If the internet speed is so low, it will take some much time. So which is of you can see 642 MB, which is of high MB only. So let's wait for that to be downloaded. Yeah, it's become downloaded. Here you can see you can open this file, downloaded file, by using the different methods. By using here also you can download and go to downloads, then you can showing folder, then you will get a exe file in that folder. From that you can also double click on that, then you can able to install that application. Now I'm opening that exe file which I have downloaded now. Yeah, from this website we have downloaded. That way I am opening in the folder. Here you get a page like this, like in which location you have to go into store the files which you are installing. You have to set the path and install, which is of latest version is 18.92. Here you can see release of 18.92 version. The versions may be differ if you are installing it at what time we are not aware of. The latest version when I am making this video is 18.92. That may differ time to time. If the latest update versions will become, then the version will may differ. So it will take some more time to install all the packages and references and overall progress to complete. So let's wait for that to be completed. Next, see what will be the next operation you have to do after this installation. Let's keep it back. Yeah, it's coming to be end. Packets are installed. Yeah, this is with the Azure Data Studio. Along with the SQL Management Studio, you will also get an Azure Data Studio where you can do Azure type of SQL operations also. So install these things, Microsoft SQL Server, if you are doing any operation with SQL Server. For this you also have to have a SQL Server. You have to download that too in a separate manner. This is only a studio. By this only you can't do anything in that. So along with this you have to need that Microsoft SQL Server also. The operations of this SQL Server you can do it in the SQL Server Management Studio. Without this also you can do in Visual Studio if you are connected with that instance of SQL Server. So no need of this. You are even you can able to do in the Visual Studio. Okay. Yeah, now integration services and every packages will be installed. You have to see that the overall progress will be completed or not. Don't cancel in between. If you cancel in between, some files are installed and some files are like You won't get the correct figuring there, not properly installed if you cancel once. So don't cancel, let them wait, let the all the packages will be installed. So you can see now the overall progress is good enough completed. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that if we upload any latest updates videos or installation videos or any concept related videos, so that you will never miss any update of ours. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below, and if you have any doubts regarding this studio or anything, or if you want any installation to be featured in our channel, you can please feel free to comment in the comment section, so we'll definitely try to do those things. So here you can see the setup is completed, all the specified components have been installed successfully. So you can close this window or visual. Now you can go to the type search button, then you can search this SQL Management Studio, then you will get open this SQL Studio. So other the searching also you can open. It is a version of 18.9.2. You can see here. It will take around 1 minute to open that Visual Studio. Yeah, this is also from Microsoft. Opening this management studio, you will get like this. First you have to connect the SQL server. It will ask you for the SQL server instance name. That name you have to give, and if you are having authentication, then you have to give the password and username also. Next, connect there. Yeah, by connecting that particular server will be connected, so that you can do any operations on that. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up below, and if you have any doubts regarding to this, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. This is the website, you can use this website.